your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is KTV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is KTimes.co.za. It's an all Soweto derby final. It's an all Soweto final. Kaizer Chiefs have won. They've beaten the Mamelodi Sundowns for the first time since 2019-20 season. It's been over 4 or 5 years since the last time Mamelodi Sundowns lose with Kaizer Chiefs. It's been an Ildele one, junior. But the Kaizer Chiefs, namhlanje, is provele something ukuthi lento kuthiwa football around and anything can happen. Ikhona famous quote of your coach Baroka.
At football can kill you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shane, just let me compliment the Kaizer Chiefs. Well done to Kaizer Chiefs. I think if football talent only is not enough, you need effort, you need a character. Maningama isn't as funega Epolin. I think Kaizer Chiefs, in terms of the character, they've showed their character. More hungry than Nkulmama players with Kaizer Chiefs. They don't have quality more than Sundowns players, but they hunger. I think Sundowns players, they enjoy position play. In terms of Azang by head, Kaizer Chiefs. I think in today's game, like I'm always saying, Sundowns, they need to get proper front three players who are so skillful, who can combine. About to compliment to Ribeiro. If Ribeiro is off like today, not himself, moment, I think today it didn't have a good game with Ribeiro. And it's a second game for me in Mbono Ribeiro. But I can't fault Ribeiro. Somebody must do it. Like I always say, this King Renas and also Shadudi doesn't work. For me, I don't think Gaspar and Fetchabo. I think Sundowns, in terms of ball position, rotating the ball, they enjoy. But Bebanga hate Kaizer Chiefs. The front three, not even, there was no agent up front, no movement, not much. Goodbye hate Kaizer Chiefs. I think it defends the Kaizer Chiefs. They were happy with the Sundowns in front of them. That's why even they scored in a set piece, they never created so many chances. So the only time Boboni Sundowns are dangerous every time we repair when they receive free. Last central, because they got with that trope, a very central. But the runs, movement of the ball, I think they let the Sundowns down. And Kaizer Chiefs, I think they defend, but they very well. Pound to pound, well done to Nabi. Oguchi anga defend. He started the game very well. Chiefs, I think, in a by big team. They don't have a good team. Bangaza Bamele Sundowns to score first. Well done to the coach, Gucci.
Let me interrupt you guys. Let's continue.
Yeah. Okay.
We are all live. Sorry to take your microphone, Shane.
Okay,
So we are all live. We'll go through this at the same time. So they are now pulling out the names for the final. In terms of who's going to be home and who's going to be away, and I'm sure they're going to tell us who's going to be the venue for the final. Whilst we are waiting for that, Shane, let me ask you, because you're a big Paris fan, where would you like to go? Would you like to stay in Gauteng? Because the commission, Ellis Park disaster told us this match should be paid FNB on Saturday at 3 p.m. Do you think they're going to stick in FNB or they're going to go elsewhere?
You must remember Siklanyanga where la Ellis Park disaster yenzeka ngakhona. So both teams, the Kaizer Chiefs and the Orlando Pirates, they were remembering those 43 people who died. So I don't think bangayithatha le venue bayise on any other venue besides the FNB. I think they will just remain here in Gauteng. I know there was talk about the Cape Town, upper later and Kendava kuthiwa ngathi nePolokwane iyafuna hoster, and also sayazi ukuthi if favorites Durban nayo they must host.
Who's the home team? The name there?
Now the home team is Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs have been drawn first, meaning that they will have to choose their own kit, dressing room and stuff. So Kaizer Chiefs are the home team going to the final year Nedbank Cup. Now the second team is outside, obviously it's Orlando Pirates. There's no other names of Pumapa. Orlando Pirates now kushoda nje bachaza ukuthi venue zabaphina.
Yeah, kunalento junior bathi faka imali uzobona siyazi ukuthi iMoses Mabhida iyayifaka imali kulama final. Do you think it might be them?
Yeah.
Basakhephe envelope manje. What do you think is going to come out of there?
Yeah, I think he is Moses Mapita. I mean, I suspect he Moses Mapita. I think in
Fake
Devon.
imali uzobona.
Yeah, but so he said Devon. I don't
Let's
think
see.
the final will be at FNP.
Well, the commission said we must not play these derbies.
I mean, that's the biggest game in the country. I don't think we can afford to take it anywhere else besides FNB. I know, most of the builder. Yeah.
Money talks, so we'll see if money was a determining factor. Fatiwani Mfuni is a media officer at PSL. Is actually taking long for this, trying to get the fans hyped up for this. But this is a blockbuster final. Two biggest teams in the country playing in the final, Soweto Derby. And Moses Mabhida, money talks.
Like I said.
Bullshit works and money
like
talks,
I said.
as expected.
No,
Moses
like I
Mabhida.
said.
It's all about money. Sorry, Shane.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Ngeu. Thank you so much for. Okay, it's obvious.
Now I remove that.
It has now been announced. Moses Mabhida will host the final of the Nedbank Cup. Kaizer Chiefs will be at home. It's no good. It's a neutral venue, but they were drawn first, so they will choose their own colors. They will choose their own dressing room. But Junior, 10th of May, we don't know which clash, but 10th of May, Saturday, Kaizer Chiefs will be taking on Orlando Pirates with Soweto Derby.
I think it's about 6 or 8. I can't wait. But I think these are a big team, especially in South Africa. And I think a compliment the Kaizer Chiefs good to call it win the game, but the second goal is offside. Shane, we need to be straightforward.
Yeah.
I know Chiefs wanted the game more than Sundowns in terms of the hunger. But mina second goal is offside.
Yeah.
It's a pity. With us, we can't change it. But it's a clear offside for me. Because it is in today's game. I think Unabi, what it did, Bega transition football. Yeah, to up front. I think it goal the Kaizer Chiefs. It's a mistake from centre back game. I'm the Sundowns Suarez. La Payana, he had all the time to pass the goalkeeper. He had all the time. That's why, but as a defender, it's very important. Priority to receive ball, open body, you know, there's people. There's two centre back. There's left back here, and also there's right wing back that can come in, and also the holding midfield. But Maungena Paga told to Pumida off position, and Okekana now stretch it to the mistake of Suarez. When's the same mistake? You can't be casual. Remember, you're also number 6. You are not a playmaker. Just pass the goalkeeper. Don't be clever. Nala must square pass. I think you need to avoid it. He's getting away. Came to like a game. So you need to learn. It's a priority. The guy as a centre back will receive ball from the goalkeeper or no about pass. Just push mangabu pass. I'm trying to use number 10. Busele goal. Or just play the goalkeeper simple quickly. Easy. So I think the guy was casual. The game I think Kaizer Chiefs good. I think confident. Be corner to Kaizer Chiefs. So well done to players of Kaizer Chiefs because in terms of quality, I don't think they've got quality players more than Sundowns. But today, Sundowns in Geneva by enjoying the pole position, but they never had Kaizer Chiefs. How many chances that they created? I mean, chances. It's only one first half whereby Uripero coming central. I think it's a mistake from Kaizer Chiefs that Renas, the goalkeeper, safe of Valley Engel. Well done to this boy, Price Vuma. I think it did very well because nobody thought Kaizer Chiefs would win this game, even myself as well. So yeah, Kaizer Chiefs because they had the hunger. In today's game, they didn't play well, but they hunger. They were hungry for this game. And Sundowns players, in fact, they've got those players. I would see they need to. I think coach we totally wrong. Matthews, Big Melamkale on the left hand side. Between Reyners and Shalulile, Sapori was supposed to start central. On the right, Repero. It's fine coming in. Yes, and I think it was going to work. Also, to play Obas, start the Obas who came, Yakenam Slanjet and Uchedin Adam. But Uchedin Adams now coming from the bench, and him and Salas, they never changed the game both. Uchedin Adams, you need to work very tight. He's giving on the front and Uchedin Adams. He's more too much than Ugrana, than other players like Kichimayo. But energy, we need energy from the guy. Maudlala Lapa central in the midfield. Once you have in energy, there's no ever coach that can even start with you. I know what he's doing very well. Any intelligent that you can even ignore. But Lapa central Maudlala Lapa, you need to work. And you coach it in the major Lapa, who shy basic football. So I think I'm a subga coach. I'm the man coach. Because now Salas, not to say what the guy did bad. Against bad. No. It's not wrong. Even Adams, not to say he's played bad. Because good from the bench as impact players, as long as change the game. The complexion of the game here dropper. So Kaizer Chiefs by Babane believe. Well done to this point too. I think the position here Kelly central as a striker. Striker is dynamic, is mobile. And he's a development player. I just want to see more. from Umfana, consistency. And the surrounding, well done to Sereno at Kaizer Chiefs. I single him out. He did very well. For me, I think Sereno coach wins a mistake by taking him out. But Mawenza saw, if Chiefs win, if you say such things, but true, Sereno. I think Sereno, for man of the match for me, but but the goal at the Kaizer Chiefs, I'm still going to say it's offside for me.
Yes, Junior, you know we are giving credit to players the Kaizer Chiefs. They played namhlanje bebe hunger you win the game. They had a desire to win, a character to win the game. But there must have been something Unabi ayenze right namhlanje. I know sometimes we are critical of him, but not because us not racing so critical of him. This is a big team. He's supposed to be delivering good results. But what do you think Coach Nabi did right namhlanje for Kaizer Chiefs?
Isobanzima ukuthi ngithi angayenzanga right wenze kabi or wenze kahle. He won the game. So wonke umuntu vele une-believe ukuthi Nabi has done right, but it's offside goal Kaizer Chiefs. Nabi did okay because the team won.
Yeah.
Sizothi wenze kahle because he won. But bengifuna ukuyibona igame ureferee just give a yellow offside.
Yeah.
Angaye ngithi Nabi did very well. Yabo because mina into engimcomplimenta ngayo the way he started the game. First 10 minutes azange abonise ukuthi I'm playing against Sundowns. Yet pound to pound in terms of the quality, Sundowns they are ahead with players. They've got so many national players that are starting. I the game. Kaizer Chiefs nothing. It's only this boy totally. But now Nabi said, but I'm playing an open game. And Sundowns, if failed to capitalize on now they are themselves to be playing. Because one Sundowns, they enjoy more position. You understand? Playing Obas, Mkwena, and Lunga on the left hand side. That's why I get the disadvantage by playing Ulunga. Going forward, the Sundowns are taking a wing back, but now he's sitting there. Now no Reynas, no Shalulu, you ask them, good Bakabange on the left hand side, take people on decision making, triple bypass, they're not gonna do that. So Baba static, Sundowns side they lack movement first half. And it came about Shay, he can play coach Obangish starting 11 sake. And also Namasapo, I don't think they gave. The selection J coach Umfanalo Uli Clark, I believe good pension Megmelan. Also this boy KK, Billy as well. I think Kulis as well. Those are players. You bring those players. But as show the character of Kaizer Chiefs players, compliment. But Maungbuza njengokuthi Nabi made some compliment and stuff. Mina ngizom compliment for the first 10 minutes. Ukuthi challenge Sundowns. But angeke ngithi he's done well. Angeke ngithi he's done bad foot as well because he won the game. But how he won the game, he lay in a question game ukuthi ngimnika kanjani kune offside.
Well, Junior, thank you so much, my brother, for your analysis. Namhlanje, Loftus Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Chiefs are through to the final of the Nedbank Cup for the first time since 2014. Probably win a corner. Kaizer Chiefs go Stuart Baxter. Better is SuperSport United 2015, right? Yeah, 2015. That's when the Kaizer Chiefs. This was the last trophy they won. In fact, the Kaizer Chiefs.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, this was the last trophy they won, and they won it where, Junior? Take a guess. Moses Mabhida Stadium. SuperSport United. They won the game.
MTN.
No, final. Nedbank Cup. No, Nedbank Cup. They won it.
No, man.
Nedbank Cup final. They beat SuperSport United.
Yes.
Yeah. They beat SuperSport United.
Yes.
At Durban. Bernard Parker scoring with extra time. Yeah, they won 2-1. Yeah, under coach Stuart Baxter. That's it. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please